Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned pink salmon. First, gather your fresh pink salmon, canning jars, lids, rings, and a pressure canner. Ensure all your equipment is clean and sterilized before beginning the process. This preparation is crucial for food safety and successful preservation. We will then move on to preparing the fish itself, ensuring it is ready for canning. After cleaning your pink salmon, remove the head, tail, and any dark meat along the backbone. Cut the fish into pieces approximately 1 inch to 1½ inches shorter than your jars. You can choose to brine the fish in a solution of 1 cup of salt to 1 gallon of water for about 1 hour, or simply add 1 teaspoon of salt directly to each pint jar. Carefully pack the prepared salmon pieces into your clean canning jars, leaving a generous 1-inch headspace. Do not add any liquid to the jars. The salmon will create its own juices during processing. Wipe the jar rims clean, center the lids, and apply the rings fingertip tight. Process pint jars for 100 minutes and half-pint jars for 90 minutes at 10 pounds of pressure in a weighted gauge pressure canner. Once processing is complete, turn off the heat and let the canner cool naturally until the pressure drops to 0. Carefully remove the jars and let them cool on a towel for 12 to 24 hours. After cooling, check that all lids have sealed properly. Remove the rings, wash the jars, and label them with the contents and date. Store your delicious home-canned pink salmon in a cool, dark place for optimal quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.